The 2024 Bentley Batur is a marvel of automotive engineering and design, a testament to Bentley's commitment to luxury, performance, and exclusivity. With a price tag of $2.1 million, the Batur is not just a car, it's a statement. As you navigate the picturesque lanes of Spain's Canary Islands, this vehicle ensures that all eyes are on you. Its design, reminiscent of a resting predator, is both captivating and intimidating, a sight that few will have the privilege to behold, given that only 18 of these masterpieces will ever be produced. Bentley's decision to produce the Batur is a nod to the brand's iconic 12-cylinder engine, which is nearing its end. But it's not just about bidding farewell. The Batur also offers a glimpse into Bentley's electric future. This juxtaposition of honoring the past while looking forward to the future is what makes the Batur so special. In terms of exclusivity, the Batur stands out even among the elite. While other luxury cars like the Pagani Utopias and Koenigsegg Gemera have production numbers in the double or triple digits, the Batur's limited run of 18 makes it a rare gem. However, its exclusivity doesn't mean it's entirely unique. Beneath its bespoke exterior, it shares many mechanical components with the more accessible Bentley Continental GT Speed. The Batur's exterior is a work of art. From its carbon fiber fenders to its exclusive headlight assemblies, every detail has been meticulously crafted. The touch of its finish is a privilege few will experience. The dedication to craftsmanship is evident in the 8 months Mulliner spends hand-building each Batur in Crewe, England. Under the hood, the Batur boasts a twin-turbocharged 6-liter W12 engine, a powerful beast that produces a staggering 740 horsepower. This engine, an evolution of the one introduced in the 2002 Volkswagen Phaeton sedan, is the most potent Bentley has ever created. Its performance on the road is nothing short of breathtaking, with a top speed of 209 miles per hour. Driving the Batur is an experience in itself. The 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission delivers power seamlessly, making every twist and turn an exhilarating adventure. Its braking system, featuring giant carbon ceramic brakes, ensures that the car remains under control even at high speeds. The interior of the Batur is as dramatic as its exterior. The attention to detail is evident in every inch, from the carbon fiber trim that fades into a body color matching purple sector to the 3D-printed 18-karat gold surround on the drive mode dial. Even the smallest details, like the arm attached to the brake pedal made of bare carbon fiber, showcase Bentley's commitment to luxury and craftsmanship. Bentley's vision for the future is clear with the Batur. As the brand plans to transition to an all-electric lineup by 2030, the Batur's front fascia offers a sneak peek into what Bentley's electric vehicles might look like. The question remains, can an electric Bentley evoke the same emotions as its gasoline-powered predecessors? The Batur's development journey has been rigorous, ensuring it meets Bentley's high standards of performance and durability. From high-speed tests to exposure to extreme conditions, the Batur has been put through its paces. The dedication to craftsmanship is further highlighted by the fact that each of the 18 customer cars will take around 4 months to handcraft. The 2024 Bentley Batur is not just a car, it's an experience, a masterpiece, and a testament to Bentley's legacy and vision for the future. It embodies the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and exclusivity. For those fortunate enough to own one of the 18 Batur cars, it's not just about driving, it's about being a part of automotive history. The Batur's exclusivity is further emphasized by its non-street legal status in the U.S. This decision, while possibly disappointing to some American enthusiasts, only adds to the car's allure. It's not just a vehicle, it's a collector's item, a treasure that only a select few will ever possess. Its rarity is further accentuated when compared to other luxury vehicles, making it a true standout in the world of high-end automobiles. One cannot discuss the Batur without mentioning its impeccable lineage. The car's twin-turbocharged W12 engine traces its roots back to the 2003 Continental GT. This engine has been a cornerstone of Bentley's rise to the pinnacle of luxury automotive brands. Over the years, it has evolved, becoming more potent and efficient with each iteration. The Batur's W12 is a celebration of this iconic engine, marking both its zenith and its farewell. The Batur's coach-building process heralds a new era for Bentley. With advanced technologies at their disposal, Mulliner can offer customers an unprecedented level of customization. Sustainable materials, such as natural fibers, combined with cutting-edge technologies like additive manufactured gold, provide a vast array of choices. This allows each Batur to be a reflection of its owner's unique vision, making each of the 18 cars truly one of a kind. The rigorous testing the Batur underwent is a testament to Bentley's commitment to excellence. From handling tracks to real-world road conditions, from high-speed tests to extreme environmental exposures, the Batur faced and conquered every challenge. Such extensive testing ensures that while the Batur is a luxury vehicle, it doesn't compromise on performance or durability. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.